Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying your time at your home and you are taking your all lessons. Dear students, welcome to your social studies online lesson. And today we are going to start our new topic, celebrations Eid. It is the last one unit of your textbook, and today we are going to start it, and we will do reading of page number 48. And through the topic we can guess that Eid means we are going to learn about Eid. I hope all of you are very excited to start this topic, but before starting the reading and the discussion, let's discuss the learning objectives, means the things that you are going to learn today. Dear students, today in the end of the lesson you will be able to explain that Eid comes after Ramzan and begins when we see the new moon, and you will be able to discuss why people fast in Ramzan. These are your learning objectives, means first of all you will learn and you will be able to tell anyone that we celebrate Eid after Ramzan, and how we came to know that it is Eid through the new moon. When we see the new moon in the sky, then we come to know that tomorrow is Eid. And the second one, that why people keep the fasts. As dear students, you know that it is the month of Ramzan, so all of you can understand that how we are keeping the fast, from which prayer till which prayer we have to keep the fast, and which are the things, which are the rules that we have to follow, and the things that you are doing, the specific things that we are doing in this month, like we are doing iftari, we are doing sehri, and we are reciting the Holy Quran daily, and we are offering the prayers. First of all, through the topic celebrations Eid, I want to tell you that what is the meaning of celebrations, because it is the main word in our topic celebrations Eid. So before starting the Eid, we should know that what is the meaning of celebration. Dear students, our time when we feel happy and share our happiness with others is called celebration. Yes, students, whenever you are so excited and happy, you achieve something and you want to share the happiness with others, with your family members, is called the celebration. Like if you have your birthday and you are so happy, your family is so happy, and you arrange the birthday party, you just invited your family members, your relatives, your friends, your neighbors, and you organize a party, you arrange food, they bring gifts for you, and all of you are celebrating the birthday because all of you are happy and you are sharing your happiness with your dear ones. Same like this, if you are getting good marks in class test or in the papers, then you are happy and you are just celebrating it, you are sharing it with your dear ones. It is also called the celebration, and celebrations is very important for in our life. We should celebrate each and every thing, good things of the life. Okay students, I hope it is clear that what is the meaning of celebration. Now please open your textbook page number 48, and please hold a scale and a pencil in your hand. It is your textbook social studies textbook. Open page number 48 and draw a straight line on the top of the page number 48, top of the page, draw a line and start writing date and day. As you can see that the day is Tuesday. Classwork 27th April 2021. Tuesday spellings are Tuesday. Tuesday. Classwork CLASSWORK. Classwork 27th April. APRIL. April 2021. Dear students, your writing should be neat and clean. I hope all of you have done date and day. Now, let's start the reading. Unit number 12, Celebrations. Eid. Celebration means a time when we want to share our happiness with others, or we are so happy, is called the celebration. And Eid. Dear students, all of you know that we celebrate two Eids in a year, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Azha. As this is the Islamic month of Ramzan, in the month of Ramzan, Muslims keep fast from the sunrise till sunset. Means we start our fast with the prayer of Fajr, and we open the fast with the prayer of Maghrib. So, after the month of Ramzan, the Eid that comes is Eid al-Fitr. Okay, and Eid al-Azha comes in the month of Zulhajj, in the month when Muslims perform Hajj in Kaaba, and Muslims sacrifice goats, sheep, camels, cows in this Eid, on Eid al-Azha. So, we celebrate two Eids, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Azha. Today here we are going to learn about the end of Ramzan. As you can see this, the end of Ramzan. Dear students, it is very easy and interesting for all of you because this is the month of Ramzan. So you can relate all the things with your daily routine and you can understand it. So, I am going to start the reading. You have to hold your pencils in your hand because you have to underline the difficult words with me and be attentive and alert. I am going to start it. The very first line, it is nearly the end of Ramazan. Underline nearly, 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 the end of Ramazan. Underline Ramzan, Ramazan, Ramzan. I hope you underlined the nearly and Ramzan. Now come on line number 2. Mama and Baba have not eaten all day. Dear students, why Mama and Baba have not eaten anything all the day? You have to think about it. Yes, because it is the month of Ramzan, and in the month of Ramzan we keep fast, and in the fast we can't eat anything from sunrise till sunset. They have waited patiently till evening. Dear students, please underline waited, 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 and patiently. Underline this word, PATIENTLY, patiently till evening. Means Mama and Baba have to wait till the prayer of Maghrib, till the time of Maghrib. The sun goes down. Come on, children, says Mama. Now Mama is calling to the children. It is iftar time and we can eat. Dear students, first of all underline iftar, IFTAR. I hope all of you know that what is iftar time. The evening time when Muslims can open the fast with the azan of Maghrib. After this, we offer the prayers. Okay, the next line. After iftar, the children go on the roof with Dada, Mama and Baba. It is cloudy. Please underline cloudy. CLOUDY, cloudy. They cannot see the moon. Come on, children, says Baba. Time to go down. Oh dear, says Rafe. I want to see the moon. Dear students, as you know that it is the end of the Ramzan, maybe it's 28th Ramzan or 29th Ramzan, and they are on the roof of the house to see the new moon, because if they will see the new moon, then it will be confirmed that tomorrow is Eid. But if they will be unable to see the moon, then it will be not Eid tomorrow. Be patient, says Dada. Just then the clouds go away and they see the beautiful new moon. Underline beautiful. 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 Hooray! It's Eid tomorrow, shouts Rafe. Okay, students, now please underline shouts. SHOUTS. In the last one line, you can see that there is the word shouts. You have to underline this. SHOUTS. Shouts Rafe. Okay, students, I hope all of you underline the difficult words with me. In this page, we came to know that it is the end of the month of Ramzan, and all the children are on the roof of the house, and they are looking for the new moon to celebrate Eid. And the weather is cloudy, and due to clouds they are unable to see the moon. But after some time, when the clouds go away, there was a new moon on the sky, and all the children are so happy because tomorrow will be Eid. I hope it is clear. Now let's come on the next slide. Okay, dear students, all of you can see that these are the different shapes of the moon. But the question is this, that what is the difference between all these moons, and why the shapes are different in each date on each day. Students, as you know that after the end of the month, a new month starts. Like after January, we have the month of February. After February, we have March. This is the month of April, and after the month of April, there will be the month May. Same like this, there are some Islamic months, and Islamic months start with the moon. Like we start the month with the date 1, that on the very first date we will start a new month. Same like this, with the new moon, Muslims starts the Muslim month. As you can see that this is the day 1 of the moon, and it is the new moon. Day by day, we have 30 days in a month, and in the 30 days the moon will grow and its size will be increased, and after 14 days, on the 14th day, it will be full moon, and after that it starts to decrease. As you can see that in the very first one picture, the shape is like the crescent moon, and it's very small, and this kind of moon is very difficult to see in the sky. And day by day the size of the moon is increasing. As you can see that in the very first 1 week, it comes on this one shape. Now the size is very increased, and slowly the moon is getting full. And you can see that on 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, we have the full moon. And after the 14th of the moon starts to decrease the size. Like you can see that it is the 14th, and after 14th the size of the moon starts to decrease, and slowly it is the last day of the moon's cycle. Now there will be a new moon, 26th. A new moon started, and after that, in the date of 28th or 29, we will see the new moon in the sky. And if at the night of 28 we see the moon, then tomorrow is the first date of the new month. But if we are unable to see the moon on 28th of the moon, then we will see the moon again on 29th. And if we can see this one moon on 29th of the month, then tomorrow is the new month. It is very simple. There are two dates of the moon, 28th and 29th. If we will see the moon on 28th, then the present month is finished and new month is started. But if we are unable to see the date on 28th, then we will see the moon on 29th and a new month will be start from the 30th. I hope all of you have cleared this one point. Now let's have the discussion about the page number 48 that we had done now. Discussion points. Fasting helps to understand the lives of poor people who have little food. Yes, dear student, when we keep fast, we didn't eat anything, we didn't drink anything. And during fast, when we realize that we are hungry and we are thirsty and we can't eat anything, then we came to know the lives of the poor people who don't have food to eat, who don't have houses to live. So, through this fast, through this month of Ramzan, we are able to understand the lives of the poor people. Number 2, fasting makes us strong and patient. Yes, when we keep the fast, we start to become strong and patient. Moon takes 28 days to complete its cycle and then new month starts. Okay, dear students, it is clear that after the 28th of the month, new moon starts. Now you can see a slide. Fasting teaches us how to wait for evening meal. When we keep the fast and it is the time 10 and we are hungry and thirsty and we know that we can't eat it, we can't drink it because it is not the time of the iftar. When the time of the iftar will come, then we can eat and drink. So fasting teaches us how to wait for the evening meal and how to be patient. In the month of Ramzan, we offer all the prayers and we tried our level best to ask for the forgiveness from Allah of all the bad things that we had done for the whole year, and we offer the prayers 5 times. Dear students, our holy book, the Holy Quran, was revealed in the month of Ramzan. In the month of Ramzan, the holy book was revealed, so that's why it is very important, and the month of Ramzan is the holy month. We keep fasts in this month. We read the Holy Quran, we recite it, and we have to finish it in the whole month of Ramzan. You can see in this one picture that it is also a small kid like you, and he is reciting the Quran and doing dua. Dear students, during Ramzan, Muslims open their fast at sunset. This is the table. You can see that this is iftar time. After the whole day, the family members sit together and we arrange. The female members of the family cooked a lot of tasty and delicious things for the iftar, and all the family members sit together, and after the sunset we open the fast, and before opening the fast we do the prayer, we do dua, then we open our fast with a date. This is another picture of the iftar time, that family members are doing iftar. This is the picture that how people want to see the moon and how they look the moon. As you came to know that Hiba, Rafe, Baba, Mama, Dada, all of they are looking for the moon on the roof. So when the clouds go away, same like this, they saw the moon in the sky. Okay students, this is another picture and you can see that if you are hungry and you want to eat the things and you have the fast, then you have to be patient, you have to control yourself and you have to wait till iftar time. And after the iftar time, we can eat everything till the sunrise, because with the sunrise we will start our new roza, our new fast. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay dear students, this is the link of our video. All of you have to watch it because it will help you for the better understanding of the topic. Dear students, I hope it is clear to all of you that Ramzan is the holy month. In the month of Ramzan, the holy book, the holy Quran was revealed on our holy prophet, peace be upon him, Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. And in the month of Ramzan, we keep fasts. We start our fast with the sunset and with the sunrise, and it goes till sunset. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay dear students, thank you to be here with me. Take care of yourself and take care of your family members. Inshallah, we will meet on Friday in our live lesson. Till Friday, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.